Why processing method determines nutrition value. The global yeast market is at 8.79% annual growth. From bread to beer to billion-dollar supplements, yeast is everywhere. But here's the problem. Traditional drying methods are destroying what makes yeast valuable. Yeast isn't just an ingredient, it's alive. Those tiny organisms contain proteins, vitamins, and minerals that consumers desperately want. But conventional drying kills them off or takes forever to process. Microwave technology's rapid processing can help preserve live cultures and probiotics, unlike lengthy freeze drying. By reducing drying time and heat exposure, microwave drying keeps vital cultures active for better quality and functionality in your products. The future of yeast processing lies in precision technology that preserves life while accelerating production. Dry better, faster.